Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my top 5 mini handbags. But before we get on to the video, I just want to let you guys know again that I am doing a giveaway on my channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm giving away a brand new Louis Vuitton key pouch or a $200 through Cash App. So if you want to learn how to enter, please check out my previous video. Also, I'm going to be putting a link up here somewhere. That way you can just click on it and enter. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first bag that I'm going to be showing you guys is this Gucci mini bucket bag. I really love this because you have that classic Gucci design. Also, I remember back in the day growing up, my mom would have a lot of this type of style, like the bucket bag. So if it was popular back then and it's popular now, you know that this is gonna be a timeless piece. Also, it's not that expensive, guys. I paid about $1,150 for this, which is really good price for a designer bag. This fits a lot. It's pretty spacious inside. Also, you can only carry this as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, and you have like the holes so that way you can adjust it depending on how low or how high you want your bag is. I do prefer sometimes or I do prefer my bags with a top handle, so that's kind of like the downside about this, is it doesn't come with this top handle. But as you can see, it's really spacious, guys. You can put so much inside there. All your essential will fit in this tiny bag. If you are looking for a good bucket bag, this is definitely something to check out. The price is right, it fits a lot, and it's a timeless piece, so you can never really go wrong with this one. The next bag that I want to show you guys is my Chanel mini rectangular flap. What I love about this is you can easily dress this up and dress it down. You can wear a dress with this, or you can simply just wear jeans. It is Chanel, so it is quite expensive compared to the other, you know, designer bags out there, but it is an investment piece, so the resale value is always gonna be good. The downside about this is, of course, it is in the lambskin leather, so it is more delicate compared to their caviar leather. The inside, it fits quite a lot, but I feel like the bucket bag fits a little bit more since it is deeper inside. Also, with this, you can only wear it as crossbody bag because as a shoulder strap, it is quite long for someone who's only 5'3". The third bag that I want to show you guys is this pochette accessoire or accessories from Louis Vuitton. This is actually a recent purchase of mine. I also did an unboxing of this. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna go ahead and put a link up here somewhere. What I love about this is that it is a classic bag. As you can tell, I do love a good classic bag, but this bag is also very versatile, guys. I've seen a lot of people use this as a crossbody bag. All you have to do is buy a chain from Etsy or Amazon. You can also use the strap from your other Louis Vuitton bags. It's really spacious inside. Let me show you guys. As you can see, you also have a small pocket there. I have been loving, you know, that vintage old school vibe. So for now, I'm gonna be using this as a shoulder bag. The only downside about this, guys, is that this bag is really hard to get. It took me about a year, if not almost a year, to get my hands on this. It's just never available every time I look for it at the boutique or the website. But lately, I have been seeing a lot of hard to get items on their website available. So if you are on a hunt for this one, make sure to stalk their website. The next bag that I'm gonna show you guys is my Longchamp mini bag. I really love this, guys. The leather is so soft. I believe it's called Métis leather. If I want something that is a carefree bag, I usually gravitate towards this one because it's not easily scratched, and it's very spacious inside, guys, as you can see. One thing I love about this too is the strap is detachable, so you can use this as a top handle bag. But what I love most about this is the price. I believe I only paid about $400 for this bag, and it's leather, guys. I really love this. I highly recommend this bag. I just love it. And it comes in different colors too. Like there's black, there's red, there's this color, and yeah, definitely also a really good mini hand. Alrighty guys, so the last bag that I want to show you guys is my Nano Speedy. OMG, I am obsessed with this bag, guys. Do I even need to explain myself why I love this bag so much? She is so cute. I put a scarf on the handles, or scarves on the handles, because you know, with untreated leather, they will get darker over time, especially with the oils of your hands, or if you put a lot of lotion. This looks tiny, guys, but it fits so much. My phone fits there perfectly with no problem. I bought an organizer. This one is from Samorga. I mainly use this as a crossbody bag since, you know, the strap is not detachable. But if I want to use it as a top handle, I basically just hide the strap inside the bag. This is also a hard to get item from Louis Vuitton, but like I said earlier, I have been seeing a lot of the hard to get items available a lot lately on the website. So if you are looking for this, better stock the website. But yeah, this is the last mini bag, guys. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.